Hey, what is up, you guys? It's G Hoodie Ninja here, and I am here with the Gnome Ninja, as you can see right there. And we're gonna win the survival games.
Okay,
And Ninja. He's tiny. He's tiny. He's really tiny.
Bigger than you.
Ouch.
Well, technically all my characters are the same, so...
Yo, dude, I just got a sick chest. Kane, please don't die. Funny story, we were...
Fine.
Are you? Or are you actually, like, dying? Kane, are you behind me?
No,
Are you behind me?
technically, yeah, I'm basically right behind you. No, I'm in front of you. Gentle.
Nice.
Okay, that's good.
Alright, yeah, do
That's
you need bootsies?
Yeah.
Your feetsies are gonna get cold. Here, take these. It's dangerous to go alone, so take these!
Thanks.
Thanks. It's the sword of Tenno Ninja. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, got some supply crates. I'm waiting for somebody to come so we can stab him to death. Like, brutally. You know, like, brutal. Wait.
Yeah, every time you take the sword out, like a gush of blood comes out.
Yeah, I know.
How about
I know what you're talking about, yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah. Kane, I have pants. Do you need pants?
Yes, I do.
I also have a helmet. Do you need a helmet?
Yes, I do.
Kane, you're like walking around naked. Do you need a chest plate?
Yeah.
Are you fighting somebody or are you just grabbing chests?
I'll
Hi.
look at someone.
Kane, just take this stuff. Take this stuff before you go alone. No, well, actually, before we go and attack this guy. He'd be a nice guy to eat. Oh, wait, I need that chest plate, but whatever. You can have it. We're friends. That's what friends are for. And I probably still have better armor than you. It doesn't even matter if I had this chest plate or not. This guy left the golden sword in here, and I'm going to take it because it looks awesome.
Oh, there's a golden chest plate here. Where are you?
Oi, where you at? I can't find where.
Can you go the way across the road?
Oh, yo! Turn around, mate. I didn't go that way. Kane, turn around. Hi. I didn't go that way. I went up the hill like he did. I thought we were following
Yeah,
him.
you can have this. You can have this glass. Just fine. Sorry.
Do you have any food?
No, but there's a white chest plate there. Oh, there's a guy there.
Oh, let's kill him.
Gonna turn him to dust. Oh god.
I honestly thought you had him.
No. So did I, but you know.
I need his food. And his chest plate.
I'm gonna try and ambush him.
He ran on the road, by the way.
Yeah, I know. I just saw him do it.
Come back in.
How is he not dead, though?
I don't know.
He's gonna have to eat at some point. Oh, you hit him into a tree. That's huge.
It's still lagging at the same time as, like, not lagging.
Yeah, I kind of feel you.
Like, it's just, like, kind of weird how the lag is going. Oh, are you serious?
Okay, and there's another guy there. Crap. I know, I gotta run from this other guy, though.
Crap. He just done some parkour, why not?
Kane. Alright, can I have food now, please? I need it badly. There's another name tag right there. They're fighting. Watch out. Chill. There's another team of two, though. Oh, God. It's scary.
Let's go, boy. I've got 8 arrows, by the way. And a bow.
Nice. Oh, sweet. This guy had a stone sword on him. Or you gave me a stone sword and I didn't even notice. Well,
Yeah, I get you a sword.
Hi, Rex. You don't know who Rocky is. He's my puppy.
Where'd you go?
Where did you go?
I don't know.
I'm at the
Straight to
road.
me, maybe? I see the road, but which
Hi,
way did you
Kane.
go?
Behind you.
Okay. Let's go this way, maybe?
We actually might get to the death match.
Yeah, we could probably get that country.
What's if we pull something really stupid, which usually happens with us?
Yeah, true. Very true.
True that. True that.
You think, oh, let's take on this guy. He's got 4 iron armor and diamond sword. We can take him.
Yeah, we can totally take this guy. Even though we actually might be able to take him. Except one of us is definitely gonna die. Oh, and it's Messi from the penalty shot, and he scores. It's Messi.
You fish.
Okay, and I got this. And it's Messi from the penalty spot. Go!
This waste batteries, but
Easy.
Okay,
Easy game, easy money.
Easy game, easy money. Where are you, by the way? Okay, and all we need to do is kill 2 more people. Well, we necessarily don't need to.
We can only kill 1 more person and win this.
Yo, you look like a beast on my screen.
There's a guy there.
Oi, yeah, there is. Oh, there's 2.
Where are you?
I'm up fighting him.
Ah.
Ow,
Oh my goodness.
ow. That TNT really freaking hurt.
Us. Yeah, he's trying to be. Oh my god.
I'm not gonna stop chasing this guy. Kane, is there anybody behind me?
Hey, sorry. I'll look now.
No, there wasn't, because I started to run. Is he following me? Oh, I'm fudged. Oh, I'm so
I think I'm
fudged.
following you.
Yeah, I'm so fudged.
It's the worst player. And
Yeah, I
he's
know,
trying
but
to
Kane,
take
I have
these
2
things.
hearts.
Keep running.
Is he gone? Can I eat?
No, keep running. It won't eat, but like, eat something that will give you the most health.
Where is he?
Yeah, right behind you. You have time to eat, though.
Kane, I'm scared.
You will have time to eat, I promise you.
Yeah. I'm just running.
There's a guy from him with full iron armor, so he's probably gonna die.
No, they're teamed.
Full iron armor guy?
But yeah, the full iron armor guy and the other guy. Actually, grab this.
No, it's not. He just hit him with his iron sword. And almost shot him with his bow.
Wait, are they gone?
No, run to your right.
No, I got this.
Right, yeah, just keep
It's
running.
deathmatch in 5 seconds. I made it to the deathmatch, but I'm really freaking screwed.
Basically.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, time to run.
That's
Oh God. Yep. Kane, your mic, no! Kane, your mic! God, your mic! Well, he died with me. So long, soldier. Well, too bad Kane's not with us for the outro once we put this mic back in, but I mean, it's whatever. But anyway, guys, that's been the Ninja Squad, D Hoodie Ninja and the Gnome Ninja. And
leave a like.
leave a like and subscribe if you did enjoy this content, and see you later.